This video I'm going to show you how you can create a heat map like this from your Google Analytics data and import that data right away into your Google Sheet. The way this is done is via a simple template which you can find below. Just open the link below this video and you should already have this spreadsheet. In the top with file, make a copy. You can make a copy of this so that you can edit everything. So the way this works is that we have a report configuration tab in which we can import different views and data from our Google Analytics account. And here we have a test report that has been run already. So in this case, we have the name of the report, the view ID. So if you've seen my Google Analytics audit view video, then you'll see that there are like master views, reporting views, and testing views. Here you can define any of these views, the start and end date of the data, the actual metrics, and the actual dimension, plus some filtering and limitations that you can do below here, but you can figure that out yourself. So if you're interested in the specific ways to do it, have a read through the developer documentation from the Google Analytics spreadsheet add-on. So it's the official add-on that you can find in your Google Sheets add-ons. So here it will explain you everything in detail on how to set up these filters. Important part to know is to add it here, go in the top, manage add-ons if you don't have any yet. In my case, I already have the Google Analytics add-on, already have it installed. If you haven't installed it yet, just click install and it will start linking to your Google Analytics account. Just have a look. So that's already done. And then you can just say create a new report. Should open a tab, continue. So now it's going to sync with your, it's going to ask you for authorization to add to your Google Analytics account. That's fine. Just give that access. Give it a little bit of time to load. So it now has access to import all the data. Again, this is not a third-party developer. This is the official Google Analytics add-on with all the documentation there, so there's no worry that your data will get lost anywhere. So that's done. Now again, if we can create a new report, it should open here a sidebar. There we go, in which we can define all these variables. So you can define them via the sidebar. As you can see here, I have the Zebra Farm account, I have different properties, and I have different views. Just make sure you select the right one. It will automatically find all the metrics that you have available and all the dimensions that you have available. So you can just select those and any segmentation that you would like to do. If you create that, it will automatically add it in here. But what I prefer to do myself is to work with these metrics and dimensions directly. So I already created a tab with all of these Google Analytics metrics and dimensions in there, so that you can just copy paste them if you don't remember the name every time. Especially for custom metrics, custom dimensions, that's handy. So if you do this, then create a report. Only thing you have to do is click run a report and it will automatically create a tab like that. Once you've done that, you can select it like this and say insert or actually create a pivot table, so data pivot table on a new sheet. If you do that, you'll get a sheet like this. The only thing you then have to do is select this data, go to conditional formatting, and select any color scale that you would like. So you can just change that to visualize, okay, in this case on Tuesdays on the 10th hour, there seems to be the highest amount of traffic. And then on Monday, so this is not in order, so that's something you can improve on, but from Monday to Thursday, very high traffic around the 9th and 10th hour. So this is something you can apply to all these different metrics you have and do some analysis and create some reporting for you. So I hope that can be helpful.